2017 Volvo, maintenance overdue, auto reset. This is the key fob. Put in the key fob to the place and press and hold OK button. Same time you have to press and hold that start button as well until this indicate. Keep holding, keep holding. When that beep sound and finish beeping, it's reset. Now you can press the clutch and start. It's disappear. Don't worry about that low battery. This car doesn't start long time, battery having failure. But you can see maintenance audio now already disappear. No maintenance audio. Thank you very much for watching. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. I uploaded more videos related to the cars and things. Thank you again.